Good evening, guys. It is now, 20 minutes before 9 o'clock, and this mungo beans is already soaked. And again, this is my first time to cook these beans. I'm just going to saute it with onion, garlic, water, salt, pepper, and this. I don't know what is going to happen. Yeah, of course it is going to boil, and then maybe I just need to adjust the taste by adding salt and pepper. So it is boiling now. It doesn't taste like the one that I had in the Philippines before. Maybe more salt. Yeah, I think the taste is not really extracted yet from the beans because the beans is still hard. The taste is still not what I expected. I need to Google what are the ingredients in preparing this mongo. You know? Okay, something like this is what I want to cook. Okay, we're going to just watch this. So it's the same procedure. I saute onion and garlic and tomato, but this one she put shrimps, and also she boiled first the mungo beans and then they put it together with those. For sure she's going to put salt. Okay, she did salt and pepper. Oh, patis. I need to put patis or fish sauce. She put bitter gourd leaves. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, I just need to put fish sauce. I have fish sauce here. Amazing. It's good. Oh, can I put this? Yeah, I'm going to put some of this. Oh, looks beautiful. I don't know how it tastes now. Delicious. This is now the same taste like the one that I usually eat in the Philippines. Very hot, I burned my lips. It's done. I'm just going to reheat this, and I will eat later. Oh, I forgot. I need to put this. Oh, it looks beautiful, mate. Yo, good morning guys. Now, good afternoon. It's already, look at that, 3:16. Yeah, and I still have something here. You know, I need to do the laundry. Oh, serious talking. I'm not talking to you, mate. Yeah, because yesterday I was about to go to the grocery, then I forgot. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, we're going to the grocery later. I just have to eat, and then I will have a coffee outside. I have here the mungo, the one that I cooked last night, but I already ate this this morning, so yeah, I may be going to eat it tonight or tomorrow. That is why I'm having this just fried egg. Yeah, this is very small, so we cannot make porridge from this. Yo, we're just going to watch TV. This is the last Nescafe 3-in-1 that I have. If you remember, this Nescafe 3-in-1 is coming from Kenneth and the family. Yeah, they gave this to me. They come here and they give this to me. Nice. It's kind of weird because you know the temperature this day is 20 degrees centigrade. Yeah, also it's a little cold. I mean the wind is cold, but yeah, it's just good. If you remember, yesterday it was very hot and humid. There's a couple relaxing in there. One guy fishing, and there are people fishing there also. They are sitting down. They are wearing abaya, something like that. Wow, look at this. Yeah, the water is very far. It is low tide. We're going to get closer. So lost without you. Yeah, I moved from there because there are so many kids on that side, and I don't want them to be showing in my video, you know. Oh, feel you in my heart, feel you here by my side when I'm not with you. Okay, so that's it for today here. It's getting more and more people now here. So yeah, we are going. We are first going to the grocery to buy laundry soap. That's the real purpose why I come out here. Oh, look at that. There is one beautiful car in here. GT. Yeah, nice looking. In Dubai, it is very common to see luxury, beautiful sports car. Yeah, they're everywhere in there. Yeah, we are here for the laundry soap. There are many choices. Yeah. Oh, I'm going to take this one. This is just $5.50, and it's 2 liters. The other 2 liters, $8. Yeah, I go for this one. We're going to take one of these. Yeah, I'm going to take it because this one is made in Germany. Just because of that. We are also going to take one of these. Just one. I'm going to take one of this sayote. Yeah, I just learned from the comments. I'm going to put it together with the salmon. I got one salmon here. You know that it's self-service in the cashier. When I was paying, I don't know the name of the sayote in English. I called one of the lady and I asked her, what is this? We got home. 25 minutes to 7 o'clock. Outside is still like that.